welcome back to another Explore Science with the Word Beecher Planetarium. I am Tiffany Woolbrick, and today we will be making a scale model of our solar system. For this experiment, all you're going to need is a roll of register tape and a pen. That's it. If you have really long paper of some other sort, that's fine too, but you'll need something sort of long and slender like this cash register tape. I'm going to grab a pen here. So for the length of our solar system, you can really use any length you want. You can do the width of your arms. I like to stand up and do my head all the way down to my feet. And then you can just tear your register tape. Okay, so this will be your solar system. Mine's kind of long, I'm a little tall. Okay, so at one end is the sun, and the other end is the Kuiper belt, which is where Pluto lives. So let's mark those. You can just write, you can write S for sun, or you can write the sun. I also really like to draw my planets and the different things in the solar system as we mark them. But since I want to show you everything fairly quickly for the sake of time, I will just label them. Okay. Now, take your paper and fold it in half. Okay, so here is my half. I'm going to make a crease. So I folded it in half, make a crease, and that crease represents a planet. Roughly halfway through our solar system lies one of our planets. You feel free to pause the video if you'd like to make a guess as to what planet this is. You ready for me to tell you? Roughly halfway through our solar system is the planet Uranus. Uranus. Okay. So take your paper, and you have your paper folded in half, your solar system model. Fold it in half again. Fold it in half again and make a crease there. So you're actually making two more creases in your paper. Okay, you open it back up. We have one new crease here. Then we have Uranus there in the middle. And then we have a new crease over here. Okay, so both of those creases represent planets in our solar system. We're starting with the sun over here. And about a quarter of the way through our solar system, we have a planet. You want to make a guess as to which one it is? This is the planet Saturn. What? The one with the beautiful rings. That's right. Now, 3/4 of the way through our solar system, we have another planet. So between Uranus and the Kuiper belt, if you know your planets, you might know where this one is. This is Neptune. Neptune. All right. Now, this is where it gets a little more tricky. We're not going to just fold in half again. We're going to start this at the sun end. See my label, the sun. It's kind of hard to see on the camera, but this is my sun end, and this is our Saturn. Okay, a quarter way through the solar system. This is where all the other planets lie. So we're going to do folds really just on this quarter of our paper now. You want to fold the sun to Saturn. So I've taken my paper, starting at the sun, and I'm folding it to the crease Saturn. Okay. Right, and that crease represents a planet. So halfway between the sun and Saturn is the planet Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. All right, now we're going to do the same thing but with Jupiter's orbit. We're going to start with the sun and we're going to fold it in half to Jupiter. This crease represents the orbit of Mars. And if you're really familiar with your solar system, you know that between Mars and Jupiter, we have the asteroid belt. So if you want to draw in the asteroid belt, that's fun to do as well. After that, you're going to fold the sun to Mars, and then don't stop there. Okay, you're folding from the sun to meet Mars. Then you're going to fold it in half again. And this is where the rest of our planets lie. You should have 3 more creases, 3 new creases. You have Mercury, Venus, Earth, and then our Mars is already labeled. So there you have it. We're going to write those down. Mercury, Venus, and Earth. So this is a rough scale model of our solar system, and the best part about it is you can fold it up and put it in your pocket. Take it with you anywhere you go. Thank you for joining me today for another Explore Science, and keep exploring.